Man, this music theory final's gonna kill.
Dude, same with aerodynamics. It's just crazy. Hey, you haven't done trick shots in a really long time.
Alright.
Forget about these finals. We could just do these next semester.
Yeah, C's get the green, man.
Totally. Let's do it. See ya.
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak, cow goes moo.
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
And the elephant goes toot, ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Hatty, hatty, hat, ho. Hatty, hatty, hat, ho. Hatty, hatty, hat, ho. What the fox say?
We're here with Jake and Bake Mutiny with the blindfold tunnel shot. Let's see what he's got.
Chasing mice and digging holes, tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that horse?
Are you on the backward tunnel shot?
What the fuck say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say?
Hey, thanks for watching our videos this semester and making the semester great again.
Stay tuned for more Dirty Bird Nation trick shots coming in the future.
Go follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Have a great summer.